Hi Angela, I thought I'd just make you a quick little video to go over the problem you wrote about. So in this problem here, you're using, I think it's the Help Me Solve It, and I'm going to really urge you to use the normal calculator in StatCrunch because it's a whole lot easier. So what did they tell us here? They told us the mean was 920, and the standard deviation is 590, and he usually waits on 50 parties over the weekend. We want to estimate the probability he'll earn at least $600. So if I take 600 and divide by the 50 parties, then we know that's about an average of $12 per party, which is what they used in the calculation here. To use StatCrunch, the other thing you have to calculate before you go there is a standard error, which actually you did up here, and that's going to be 590, the standard deviation, divided by the square root of the sample size, which comes out to be about 0.834. So let's go over to StatCrunch. I can find my little tabs here. So if you go to Stat, Calculator, and you want to use the normal calculator, and I want to put in the mean, and if you remember the mean was $9.20, and the standard deviation we calculated, if we look over there, it was 0.834, and we want to know the probability over those 50 parties that he averages more than $12. So if I put the $12 in here and a greater than, then here's the probability, 0.00039352, which rounds off to 0.0004, because in the problem here they asked you to give 4 decimal places. So it is much, much easier to do this than trying to use a table of values, because it's just a whole lot easier. And also, I like the idea that you can see a picture of what's going on here. If you notice, this is way, way out over here. It's going to be more than, in fact you know that because the Help Me Solve It calculated the z-score. It's more than 3 standard deviations above the mean, so it's highly unusual. So hopefully this will help you when you're trying to work on those problems.